Caught up in a love affair. Yeah, you got everything that I want.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing the sensational Empress lace wig Trissa in the color Burgundy Wine. She has lace from ear to ear and she's in a center part only. This is what she looks right out of the box. I really love this color. It's got like the darker burgundy and then it's got like a lighter burgundy on the ends, and this is what the inside looks like. She does have 3 combs, one on each temple and then one in the back, as well as the adjustable straps in the bottom of the wig. So I go ahead and plop her on my head, and I wanted to show you guys what she looks like before the curls are brushed out. And I'm just showing you my low hairline and how I'm going to just use baby hairs to kind of mask that since the wig doesn't come down that far. I also wanted to show you how long Trissa was. She comes down to kind of like the top of my hips. I am 5'6" for reference. So I'm going to start off by cutting just a slit in the middle of the lace and then cutting the lace off using my eyebrow razor. So one thing I did notice about this wig as I was brushing out the curls is that the bangs on the left and the right side do not match. I don't know if that was a defect with my wig or if everybody's wig came like that, but you can see that one side is a little bit lower. I didn't really like that, so I kept kind of like trying to play around with it to get the bangs to match. Eventually it came out looking a little bit better, but I did want you guys to be aware of that. That's how the wig came for me. So I'm not sure why I started with this middle baby hair before installing the lace, but I am going to leave it in here because this is how I installed the wig. I would typically spray my hairline with the Got To Be first, blow dry it, and then tie it down with a scarf before going in with my baby hairs. But for some reason today I just wanted to install one side at a time. So you'll see me just go in and do one side, lay that down with the Got To Be, then do the baby hair, and then I'll do the same thing on the other side. So once I'm finished with my baby hairs, I just went in with my tweezers and plucked the part just to kind of open it up because it was a little narrow at first. And then I went back through and just brushed out any excess hair that I tweezed so that my hair wouldn't be all tangled. If you can see, there's like a little piece of hair sticking up. I'll probably give you like a little close up in a minute. of like that piece of hair. I don't know why it had like short hairs in the top. So I just used my curling wand to just help me flatten out the top of the wig and flatten that hair out. And it did lay down pretty easily, but I wanted you guys to be aware of that because there may be some short hairs in your unit. My hot comb was too hot, so I couldn't use that on this wig or it might melt. But my curling wand did the job. And then after that, I'm just going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee and put that down my part to just brighten that up. Once my part is concealed, I am all finished, and this is the final look. I definitely love this wig, and I will order it in more colors. Let me know if you have any suggestions, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.